Hi there, it's Robin Morton here and welcome to another Win with Robin podcast. Today I want to talk to you about one of these old cliches you hear in marketing all the time, and it really ticks me off sometimes. We're always being told to fake it until we make it, aren't we? Fake it until you make it. Now, is this really a good thing? Pretending that we are more successful than we really are? Eating out in restaurants that we just can't really afford, or having our photograph taken next to a Ferrari or a Lamborghini that isn't our own. So, what do you do if you haven't got those big success results yet? You can't afford those fancy overseas vacations or the big fancy cars. Well, you can try to go down the posh, expensive restaurant route if you like. But I think these days, online people are pretty savvy, aren't they? And they'll soon work out that it's just a fake. And, they won't buy it. And what's more, they won't buy from you either. So, do you want to know what I think would be a good way to do it? I think these days there's never, ever been a better time to be authentic in front of so many people and then get these people to like you, no matter what kind of a person you are. You could be the book-writing bike guy who lives on a little Scottish island like me. Or you could be the complete opposite. You could be a cosmopolitan city slicker. You could be a homeschooling mum of 4 kids. Or you could be a high-tech student brainiac geek guy. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It will be the real you. And then you don't have to manufacture the kind of person that you are. And I think it's much better if you can own who you are. So own who you are so you can have what you want. Choose to become the person who shows up every day, the person who doesn't take no for an answer, the person who's dedicated to their business, the person who takes in new information and then teaches it to others, like I'm doing right now, the person who is authentic and real, and the person who doesn't listen to those self-limiting beliefs that hold us all back. And anyway, when you really think about it, if you fake it until you make what exactly? You fake it until you make it. What do you do next? Every successful person I've met, and I've met quite a lot over the last few months, and they've all said the same thing to me. They've said that they're working really hard to take it to the next level, whatever that might be. Now, they have been 6-figure earners, 7-figure earners, 8-figure earners. For them, there's always another mountain to climb. So you just can't fake it until you make it, because you'll end up doing that for the rest of your life, forever. So my advice is to find somebody that you're looking to become like and strive to be a little bit more like them in your actions. Don't copy them, but try to do more what they do. And remember, you're on a voyage of self-discovery with your online business. So stop being the kind of person you were when you started all this. Even, it might just be a year ago, but for some of you, it might be 5 years ago or 10 years ago. But whatever, stop being that person you were when you first started, because you've learnt a lot. You've come a long way since then, and you're already better than that. But one good way to utilize this fake it till you make it idea, but in a far, far better way, more like a become and own who you are so you can get to where you want to get to sort of thing, is this. Find 1 or 2 or maybe 3 people who are doing the same sort of thing as you're doing, and then get curious about what they actually do, how they present themselves, how they speak on camera, where and what they post, and then make that sort of thing your own. And when those results come in, as they surely will, then share even your smallest results, and then you can become that genuine, successful person. And then show up as a person who's getting bigger and better all the time. So you might not have those big results just yet, but so what? It doesn't matter. Be that person. Be that person today. Okay, and go out there, be amazing, and wait for the magic to happen. I hope you got some value from that, guys. If so, please subscribe to my podcast show. Tell your friends, pass it around, share the love. You can find me over on my blog, www.winwithrobin.com, or hit me up on Facebook. That's all from today. Robin at Win with Robin. I hope you're having a great day. All the best from me on my little island on the west coast of Scotland. Bye bye.